quantity. The taste is very awesome. Now the next recipe is Shrikhand, which is, I will show you the recipe. My favorite sweet, my favorite dessert. So how to prepare Shrikhand? It is occasionally I used to prepare weekly once or twice. We have to take a cotton cloth. In that you have to tie the curd. Night time you have to tie the curd. Whatever you have curd, you have to tie. That water should go out. It should not stay. It would stay only whatever left over the solid. So this is the curd solid. There is no water. You can see it look like very creamy. The sourness will go. Water is completely gone. You can see how it is looking. So now take a mixie. You can mix by hand also or spoon also. I am using mixie. Add the milk. I have added milk cream also. In this you have to add sugar only because there is no option. You cannot add jaggery. You have to add sugar, otherwise taste won't come. So I have added very little sugar. Cardamom. You can smash the cardamom and take. I have added like directly. So almost I did mixie, and you can check it how the smoothness came. It looked like very smooth. Now this is the Kesar water. I have kept Kesar before only in water. So I will mix in Shrikhand. Shrikhand most probably in Maharashtrian dish, I think. But I like that. I used to prepare weekly once or twice. So take dry fruits. If you want, you can add pista. You can add whatever you have, dry fruits. Whatever I used to like, I am using. So take a pan or kadai, small kadai. Take a oil. No, sorry, this is a ghee actually, because we have to fry dry fruits. Oil don't fry, it won't be taste. This is a ghee, and fry it properly and mix it in whatever we have prepared the Shrikhand. The taste will be very nice. You use the dry fruits and ghee also, whatever you have, you just keep it and apply the whatever Kesar water, mix it, and our Shrikhand is ready. You can try it, guys. This is my way, whatever I have prepared. I didn't see any videos or nothing, because we are preparing this from childhood onwards. We know very well how it will be taste. So you can try it, guys, and tell me how is the taste and how it will be.